This will be a fast guide to changing a ActionScript document to a HTML5 document. Using the lesson 4, the project here is finished, done with ActionScript, which is Flash's native language, and it's very similar. It's pretty much based on JavaScript, although JavaScript has become a bit more sophisticated these days. All you have to do is go up to File, Convert to HTML5 Canvas, and save it. So I'm getting, there's an error message here, but it's, I guess you would say it's trivial almost. It's not really that important. But what I'm going to do is go over to the timeline. And it looks like everything is still here, but it's been converted. It's been converted to HTML5, you see by the canvas. And as you can see, everything looks to be here, but it's in HTML5 format now. So I'm going to preview it by going to Test Movie. Test in browser. And here's the movie. For the most part, it looks the same. So it's simple to convert a ActionScript 3.0, which is Flash's native scripting language, to HTML5, which is the current web standard. And we're looking at HTML5 right now. And you also could go back and convert. You have some other conversions here. So hope that helps. Thanks.